of Torah, we are part of a movement towards Canaan. And in the wilderness of today, we are part of a movement towards a vibrant Jewish future.
Jacobs came to my community and he hugged me and called me brother. I noticed a resemblance immediately because I saw beyond his height, I saw beyond the complexion of his skin, I saw beyond the color of his eye, and I saw a heart that loved God and loves people. There's so much hope embodied, not just in this man, but in what he represents. Thank God that God has lifted him and is lifting us through his leadership, because our best days are not behind us, they are in front of us. Shalom.
Assemble the people, men, women, and children, and the strangers in your cities, to hear, to learn, to revere Adonai your God, to observe faithfully the words of this Torah, and let their children, who do not yet know it, hear, that they too may learn to revere Adonai, their God.
Together, we are blessed to welcome you as our leader and our teacher. We are thirsty to learn from you, eager to pray with you, and hungry for your guidance and vision. And it is my honor now to pass the mantle of leadership to you.
Now, I am no Abe Lincoln, but he and I do have some things in common. At 6'4", he's still on record as the tallest president in U.S. history. At 6'4", I am the tallest president in URJ history. He dedicated himself to the preservation of the Union, and guess what? Hope for a better and brighter Jewish future. Will you join me in that? Yes. I don't think I heard you. Yes. I'm beginning to hear you, but I still don't get it loudly and clearly. Can I hear you're ready to join with me in that new Jewish future? Yes. A final story. It's a story about a man. He looked up to the heavens. He said, "Dear God, there's so much pain and anguish in your world. Why don't you send help?" And God answered, "I did send help. I sent you. And you. And you. And you. Shalach lecha. Let us go forward on our mission of blessing, hope, and healing."